6 dangerous apps for Android you should delete right away. Smartphones seem to be getting smarter by the day. It seems like everyone has a smartphone these days, which leaves people open to become vulnerable to dangerous apps that can damage our phones or put our privacy at risk. This is why it is so important to protect your phone and do your research if you're considering downloading a new app or purchasing a phone. Now, keep watching for some of the top dangerous apps for Android that you should look out for. Protect your phone and avoid downloading these top apps. Before we begin this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on all of our awesome life hacks, tips, and tricks from your number one bestie. Number 6. Good Weather App. According to the ESET blog, hackers and hacking apps have weaponized the Android weather app by making it a Trojan, capable of infecting your phone with the banking malware Trojan, android/spy.banker.hu. Once the app is downloaded, the malware is able to lock, unlock, and intercept text from your device. Additionally, the malware accesses the victim's banking information with its command and control server. Number 5. Draw Something Free. This app is essentially a remote version of Pictionary that you can play with friends. While amusing, it includes several advertiser libraries, which are third-party bits of code from other developers that app creators can use, allowing advertisers to track you across any app that includes its library. It also uses the read phone status and identity permission to grant advertisers access to your phone number, call log, signal information, carrier, and more. Speaking of smartphones, we haven't forgotten about you iPhone people. Do you know the cool, handy features your iPhone headphones have that make your life much easier? Well, stick around until the end to find out. Number 4. Clean Master. The Clean Master app and other similar applications aren't necessarily dangerous. Though they may be able to help correct an app gone rogue, it is best to check your apps one at a time in order to identify exactly which app is causing the issue. These apps generally clear your cache, which accumulates pretty quickly and is best left alone if it's not causing a problem. Some of these apps also have adware that can deeply ingrain itself into your phone. Even when ads are not an issue, cleaning apps tend to seriously drain your phone's battery power and life over time. Number 3. My Talking Tom. This app is a children's game where you are responsible for taking care of a kitten, but it's seriously not worth the privacy breach it comes with. It includes a staggering 8 targeted ad libraries and also sends advertisers audio from your microphone as well. This is especially creepy considering it's a kid's game. Number 2. Wi-Fi Apps. Checkpoint, a cybersecurity company, has identified several apps with advertising malware called Lights Out. These harmful apps generate illegal ad revenue by tricking users into viewing and clicking on ads displayed on their devices. Checkpoint ads. As some users noted, they were forced to press on ads to answer calls and perform other activities on their devices. These harmful apps include applications that claim to offer free Wi-Fi credential or keys, hotspots, speed analyzers and boosters, network guards, etc. Number 1. Flashlight apps. Checkpoint has also identified several flashlight apps which are among the most popular methods that developers use to spread lights out. These apps include Brightest LED Flashlight Pro, Brightest Flashlight, Cool Flashlight, and LED Flashlight. So there you have it, the top dangerous apps for Android that you should absolutely avoid. So always keep your eye out and do your research when you're considering downloading a new app. Read the reviews, go to Google, ask Android experts, and do your homework. Smartphones are extremely expensive, and if you're not doing the right research to make sure that you're protecting both yourself and your phone, you may find yourself with a damaged phone and a bruised ego. The internet is a great resource, Use it to your advantage. If you're very confused about certain apps or how they work, or just need help navigating through your phone, you can also visit a trusted mobile expert who can walk you through using a smartphone to ensure that you don't damage it or use it incorrectly. Now that you know about some Android apps that you should absolutely not use, here are some handy-dandy iPhone headphone features that all you Apple users out there may enjoy. We have prepared a list for you with some new hacks and tips for getting the most out of your headphones and utilizing them for stuff that is not just delivering music to your ears. This way, you'll get the most bang for your buck when it comes to those expensive headphones you bought. Number 1. Skipping songs. If you're sick and tired of the song you are listening to, you can quickly skip to the next song by double-clicking the center button. Number 2. Song and video play. Did you know that you can start and stop audio and video play with the center button? Well, you do now. Number 3. Siri. This only applies on iPhones, but you can even access Siri using your headphones. All you have to do is hold down the center button and Siri will activate. Number 4. Camera. When your camera application is open, either one of the volume buttons will snap a photo. Number 5. Go back. If you click the center button 3 times, you will return to the beginning of the song. Number 6. Fast forward. When you double-click and hold the center button, you will fast forward through a song. So, there you have it. The top dangerous apps for Android that you should always avoid, as well as awesome ways you can use your iPhone headphones while listening to music or answering a call. Smartphones are awesome, and it's always a good idea to know certain tricks, tips, and tidbits of information about how to use them so you can get the best out of your smartphone experience, whether you have an Android, iPhone, or any other type of phone. Do you use any of the dangerous apps for Android from this video? What other apps do you know of that might be harmful to use? And did you know about any of these features of the iPhone headphones that we mentioned in this video? What other things do you do to protect your phone? Let us know in the comment section below. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.